Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I want to talk about something super exciting. GitHub Copilot just got a huge upgrade, and honestly, it's kind blowing my mind. This is not just about getting code session anymore. GitHub calling it the start of a new era, agentic DevOps. Sound kind of fancy, right? But don't worry, it's actually really cool and pretty easy to understand. Okay, so Copilot used to help you complete lines of code, right? But now it supports you through the entire development process. I'm talking about planning, writing code, testing, debugs, and even deploying. It's like having a super smart coworker sitting next to you, helping you out whatever you are working on. One of the big new feature, it's called agent mode. And this thing, it's wide. It can do multi-step tasks like reviewing your code, fixing bugs, writing tests, and even running terminals command for you. You just tell it what to do and it does it. It honestly like having a junior dev on your team. And if you are working with a team, there is a more good news. Copilot is not just helping you, it's like a team assistant now. It can help review codes, build new feature, and even work alongside other agents. So yeah, it's not just a coding buddy, it's more like a collaborative buddy. Oh, and get this. It can also help modernize older apps. So if you are still working with old Java or .NET stuff, Copilot can jump in, upgrade dependencies, fix bugs, patch up security issues, and more. Your app is way easier to maintain, right? Now, here's something totally new: the SRE Agent. If you are doing any cloud or infrastructure work, there is gonna be huge. It help you like monitor your system, finding issues, troubleshoot stuff, and even fix problems all by itself. Imagine Copilot solving all production issues while you are still sipping your coffee. Right. And it get even better. There is now integration with Azure AI Foundry. So you can experiment with like top AI model from OpenAI, Meta, Mistral, Microsoft, you name it, and you can use them inside GitHub. That's mean you can automate things like summarize issues, checking programs, or even generating reports. It's basically like adding AI superpower to your workflow. All right, now let's talk about the pricing for a second. There are like three plans, like free, pro, and like pro plus. If you are just start with the free plan. It's actually pretty solid. You get like 2000 code completions on a month, and access to like a model like Claude 3.5 and ChatGPT 4.1, perfect for like testing like things out. And then there is also like a pro plan. It's starting with like $10 a month, and this one give you like unlimited completion of codes, like better models with like Claude 3.7 sonnets and access to codes review features. And honestly, for like most devs, this one is like the sweet spot. They can choose this one. But if you want the like full Copilot experience, like all the powers, there's a Pro Plus one. It's actually about like $39 per month, and you get everything in the Pro plan plus access to like the ChatGPT 4.5, way more premium request, and even the new coding agent which is still in preview. If you are like building some serious project or working at scale, then this is where you want to be. And yeah, one more thing, it's open source in VS Code. So if you like to dig into like how this thing work or customize stuff, you gonna love that. So yeah, so GitHub Copilot is not just helping sidekicks anymore. It's become a full-on development partner. It can help with like code, infrastructure, AI automations, you name it. If you have not tried it yet, now it's a great time. Anyway, that's it for now. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried the new Copilot feature or which plan you are thinking about. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.